You just got a letter from your lawyer telling you that he's withdrawing from your case, and now you need to scramble and find another lawyer to take over and continue on your case. Let me share with you why I, most likely, am not going to be the one to be able to help you continue and take over your case. Come join me as I share with you why. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. I get calls like this all the time because people call me telling me that their lawyer just withdrew from the case and now they need somebody else to take it on and continue forward. And I have to tell them politely, I'm sorry. I most likely will not be the right one for you, even though they tell me they've got a great case and they've got great damages and great liability. Let me share with you why I most likely will not take on a case like that. Number one, the reason why an attorney has withdrawn, actually there are two clear reasons. Number one, there's a conflict between you and the attorney. I don't know what it is yet, but there's clearly a conflict. Number two, maybe the attorney cannot find a medical expert to support your claim, to support the extent of your damages. Let's say it's a medical malpractice case where we are required to have a medical expert confirm that there was wrongdoing, that the wrongdoing caused injury, and that the injury is significant or permanent. And if your own attorney cannot get a medical expert, what makes you think that I can find a medical expert to go ahead and confirm that you have a valid case? I have to look at it from my viewpoint and say, wait a second, this person is coming in here with a tremendous amount of baggage. Maybe the lawsuit has already been started. I'm starting behind the 8 ball. So now I have to gear up and get up to speed, and it could take a considerable period of time to go through all the medical records, to meet with witnesses, to meet with experts. And you know what? If I know at the very beginning that there's a problem, whether it's a conflict problem between you and the attorney, or maybe it's a medical expert problem, or your attorney couldn't find a medical expert and now I'm going to have a challenge doing that, that's a significant uphill battle for me. And most likely it's not one that I'm willing to undertake. Now, don't get me wrong. There are plenty of attorneys in New York who will eagerly take over somebody else's case when an attorney has withdrawn. And that's perfectly okay. But for most instances, you will find that I will not be the right one for you. So why do I share this video with you? I share it with you because I get calls like this all the time, and I just wanted you to be aware of what will happen if you're in this situation and think that by calling me, I will automatically want to take on a case like this, when in reality, it'll be just the opposite. You know, I recognize you've got questions and concerns about your own particular matter. Well, again, if you're considering bringing a lawsuit before you've actually started one, and your matter happened here in New York, and you've got legal questions, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.